What's the message? Hiroshima went to a singing competition, but Hiroshima Nagasaki. So that's really funny. So guys, you can see that my friend sent me a message and basically it is a joke. So now I can react on it. So you can see that I simply clicked on it and I have multiple emojis. So I can select a one and I can select any of them. See? So you can see that how exactly it is working. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you that how can we implement this emojis, this reaction functionality in your chat application. Okay, and you can also see that we have this message notification that Hiroshima went to a singing competition but Hiroshima Nagasaki, which is really a good joke. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me Rajan Sharma, and in this tutorial guys I will show you that how can we create a emoji, or you can say reaction functionality, just like WhatsApp and Instagram in our chat application. Okay, so what exactly we will do, we will simply create a number of emojis, or you can say a layout for free emojis. So whenever you will click on the message, okay, sender's message or receiver's message, or maybe you received some text which is funny, which is you just want to react on that, so you can simply create this functionality in your application. Okay guys, so you will be able to select any multiple, and the best thing, you can customize the emojis as per your preference. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So I will provide all the source code of this tutorial, so it will be easy for you guys to implement it. In case if you face any error and you are not able to solve it, so you can simply refer to that source code. Okay, and with that guys, we will also have its part 2. Now this is a part 1 where I will show you the reaction and storing it in real-time database on sender side. For receiver side, I will cover it in the next part. And guys, we will implement this functionality in our chatted application. Okay, so if you guys have not seen the previous tutorials of this project or this playlist, so please, I will give its link in the I button and also in the description, so go watch those videos first and then come to this one. Okay guys, and after this we will have some more tutorials on this application. Okay, so I can make it more better, more modern and easy, or you can say user friendly. Guys, so without wasting time, let's start. So guys, very first of all, you can see that this is our project chatted. Okay, and oops, here you can see that we have this message layout for receiver, for sender. Okay, so guys, now here first of all we will create the layout file of message item. Okay, where we will show the reaction stickers, or you can say emojis. So first thing that here you need to do is you have to close this linear layout. Okay, and then we have this text view. So guys, here first of all you have to simply write this constant layout. Okay, then make it wrap content. Okay guys, and then you have to simply close it. Okay, and then simply cut its end of this constant layout. Okay, control plus X and go back, and inside after this text view you have to paste it. Okay, so what it will do, basically we will have a constant layout. Okay, and then inside it we are having the image view. So guys, now after that what you have to do is we will simply use a image view for showing the emojis. Okay, so simply search for image view, then it's going to be 20 dp. Guys, I'm giving it 20 dp. You can customize the size as per your preference. If you want to make it 15, you can make it 15. If you want to make it 18, whatever choice is, I mean size is your preference. Okay, so now the important thing, which is this id. So id will be reaction, and guys, make sure you give the same id that I'm giving. So reaction iv underscore r. Okay, then src. So for now, for the creating the XML file, I will give the source, which is IC laugh, and you guys can see that it is a very good emoji. And you may be thinking that where I have get it from. So guys, you have to simply search for icon finder. Okay, it's a website and it is not a paid promotion. Okay, so I'm not promoting this website, I'm just telling you a website from where I have got the icons. Okay, so simple. Here you can see that in my history I have searched for certain items: love, sad, angry, like. Okay, 6 emojis we are going to use. For example, you have to simply search for love, and here you can go for anyone. I have selected this one. Okay, this icon in 256 pixel. Okay, so make sure you download this icon in 256 pixel, and after the download part, what you have to do is you have to simply open your downloads folder. Okay guys, and yes, so here you can see that I have all these stickers. So if you guys want, so I can give you in the source code. Okay, also, but I just also told you that how can you get the icons. Okay, so that was the process of downloading the icons. Okay, simply search for them and you can customize these icons as per your choice. Okay, so you can see that I have these icons. If you want, so I will give it in source code, but for that you have to join membership. That's why I also told you how can you get it, okay, from Icon Finder website. So guys, and one more thing, after the download, what you have to do, you have to simply copy all these icons, and then after copying these icons, you have to paste it inside this drawable. Okay, because if you are my old viewer or you have seen my previous tutorials, then you guys will understand. Here you can see that we have chat icon, we have IC angry, okay, then we have IC like, we have IC sets. We have to copy paste all the icons from download folder inside this drawable. Fine guys, so this was the process of getting emojis, or you can say icons. So now we will come back to this image view. So after that, what you have to do, now we have given the SRC. Now just for, so we can see that this is our image view. Fine. And then after that, visibility, which is the important one. So for now we will make it visible. Then okay, so now close it. Okay, guys. So now what we will do, we will fix its constant. So you guys may be thinking that why I'm using the constant for giving the effect of emoji in the bottom of the text. Okay, so how exactly it's gonna happen? Let me show you. Just a minute. So guys, you have to simply first of all click on this emoji. Okay, then first of all we will get its bottom constant. Okay, then if then right side. Okay, guys, and then you have to again give to right side. So now you can see that the emoji is in between, or sorry, by mistake, not here, remove it. So what you have to do, you have to simply first of all drag it to the right, okay, and then drag it to the left, and then drag it to the bottom, and then again drag it to the bottom. So guys, now you can see that the emoji is now in between, okay, and it is looking pretty good. Okay guys, so now you can see that it is just inside of in the center of the message, so it will look like Instagram and WhatsApp. When you react to a message, you will see it. Okay guys, so this is how you can react. I mean, this is how you can add the image. And same thing, guys, we have to do for the senders part, because now it is for receiver. This blue one is for receiver and gray one is for sender. So now we will handle for the senders. So what here you can do is, yeah, you have to again use a constant layout, which is going to be wrap content. And this time, guys, you have to give the layout derivative, which is going to be right. So it will make the layout in the right side. Okay. And then simply close it. Sorry. Okay, and then after that, guys, you have to simply cut it from here, control plus X, then go in the bottom, then paste it. Okay, so now you can see that we are in the right. So after this constant layout, we can again simply use that image view. So just let me copy the code of that image view, and yeah, control plus C. Okay, and then come here after this text view, paste it. Okay guys, so now you have to remove this constant codes and then simply make it IV. So guys, now we for the send receiver we had ID reaction IVR. So for sender you only have to make reaction IVS, means for sender, R means receiver, S for sender. Okay, the IDs are very simple to understand and give same the way I am giving. Okay, it will be easy when you will give reference in Java code. That's why I'm telling you to exact do the exact thing that I'm doing. Okay, and now for its reference, again same thing, first right, and then oops, control plus Z, then again select it, and then go oops, again control plus Z. That is the thing that I hate about this constant layout, that it just sometimes sucks. So is now I have to drag this one to right, left, sorry, and then again bottom, and then again, my god, control plus Z, then again bottom. So now you can see that now again we have it in the center. So guys, that is how you can make the message or emoji image in the center. So you can see that it looks really good. Okay, it really looks good. That's why. And now after that we have changed the ID, and we have it is for sender. Okay, so fine guys, now for now you can make it gone. Okay, because we have created the layout file, and again for the receiver also make it gone. Okay, so guys, for now you can see our layout file, how exactly it is looking. Now there is no reaction or no emoji image is visible. Fine. So now you can see that our message item code is successfully done. Now we will proceed with the Java code. So guys, before that, what you have to do is you have to add this dependency in your Gradle build, and you have to do the sync now. Okay. So you can see that this is a dependency that I'm talking about, GitHub pg rees dot android reactions 1.6. Okay, and I will give this in the description. Okay, I will give this dependency in description. Without even joining the membership, you can access this dependency, and it is also available on GitHub. Okay, So for now, you have to add it and then simply sync now. Fine, guys. So after the Gradle part, what you have to do, we will come in this message activity. So first of all, guys, this is a message activity where we are sending the messages to the users. So guys, basically here you have to do two things. Okay. Now, first thing is very simple. You have to create a string which is RC code. Okay. You just have to declare a string RC code. Fine, guys. And then you have to increase one more reaction reference, which is a database reference. Here you can see we have reaction reference and RC code. These two things you have to add. Then simply scroll down a little bit to the application, and then guys, here after that we will simply give the reference for that reactions ref. So you can see that we have the reactions ref database.get reference, and the it is reaction. I'm just only showing the reference, rest of the code I will do the coding. Okay, I will not only show you the code, so don't worry. Okay, so because it is a very simple thing, I know, those who are following my tutorials from, you can say, very first video, so you guys will understand it what exactly the reference is and how can you give it, initialize it. Okay, so this is the reaction reference, and then you can simply come inside the reaction sorry recycler view where we are fetching the data. Okay, because rest of the coding will happen inside the recycler view. So guys, now after that, let me wrap this code. Yes, inside this on start. So guys, you have to just simply come inside this recycler view method. Okay, inside this on bind view holder. So now here what we will do, so guys, first of all you have to simply write down string post key get reference position dot get key. So by doing this we will get the post key of that certain, or you can say, particular message. Okay, so guys, now after the XML coding, we will, after adding the implementation, you can say, dependency, now we can proceed. So first of all, you have to simply write int, which is going to be reactions. Okay, guys, then simply array equals to new. Okay, then int, new int. Okay, guys, and then again, you have to simply, and here we will forgot to use a equals to. Okay, guys, so now here first of all you have to write r dot drawable dot ic like. Okay, so first one will be ic like, and then guys you have to copy this one 5 more times. So simply copy it, control plus c, and then control plus oops, control plus v, then comma, then control plus v, and then comma, then control plus v, then comma, then control plus v, then comma, then control plus v. Okay, and now I will tell you a sequence. So after ic like, you have to simply write the new love, which is, it's a icon name. Okay, don't get confused at what exactly I'm doing here. Okay, it is just the icon name. Here you can see that ic cry, ic live, ic like. Okay, and new love, these are the png emojis that I have downloaded. Okay, here see, and here, then I have pasted it inside the Android Studio drawable folder. So don't get confused at how why this Android Studio suggesting these. It is a icons, okay, emojis that I have downloaded from Icon Finder website. So is now after that new love, and then I see laugh, and then after laughing we are crying, and then after crying we are sad, and then after sad we are angry that why we cried. You're such a stupid guy. And then after that simply semicolon. Okay, guys. So now this you can say integer array is successfully created. Okay, so now what we can do is we have to write down is reactions config. Okay, then config equals to new. Okay, then reactions config, and then inside this, guys, you have to config builder. Okay, guys, and then you simply need to pass message act dot this, which is our parent activity, and then dot you have to write simply with reactions. Okay, so okay, guys, so here you simply need to pass with reactions. Simply write down reactions that we passed above, and then simply dot build and semicolon. So guys, this is a code that you have to write, and then after that, guys, you have to write simply reaction pop-up. Okay, then pop-up equals to new reaction pop-up. Okay, and inside it, guys, you have to pass get application context, and then pass config, and then you have to simply write comma, and let me close this one so you can easily see the codes. Yes, so now after this config you have to write brackets, then pass position, or you can say pose instead of position. Just simply pass this pose. Okay guys, and then simply, and after that guys, okay guys, so now after that you have to write new reaction pop-up, get application context config, then comma, then bracket, inside bracket you have to pass pos, which is the position for that particular, you can say, drawable, and then slash, then greater than, then opening braces. So now inside this guys, we will do the main part of our coding. Okay, and that is pretty simple. So yeah, first of all, what you have to do, so guys, yeah, now you have to write if simple rc code, okay, dot equals, which is 1. Okay, so if it is equals to 1, then we will do something, and then you have to write down else, then again if rc code dot equals to 2, then we will do something else. Okay, so now we have two conditions. So now first of all we will handle the first one. So before this guys, I would like to give the reference of the two buttons, two image views, sorry. Okay, so now we are using two image views, which one is iv underscore reaction, iv reaction underscore sender, then reaction iv reaction, yeah, iv reactions underscore r for receiver, for sender, for receiver. So now we have given the IDs. So now it's time to give the reference. So iv reaction equals to item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot iv reaction receiver, and then semicolon, and then you can simply copy this line and then simply paste it and just change this s. So that is the benefit of oops, what happened, iv reaction underscore s, it's right, reaction, what happened, this one, oh, is there any problem, iv iv reactions are, it's right. Okay, so now we have given the reference. Now come inside this main activity, and now you have to write down holder dot iv reaction sender. So guys, when RC code equals to 1, it means that sender have clicked the reaction message. Okay, sender have, you have clicked on the sender's reaction message, or you can say sender's message. That's pretty simple. Okay, then now you have to write down dot set image resource, and then here you have to pass reactions, and then POS. I told you that it is a position for that particular. Okay, so guys, now after that you have to simply write holder dot IV reaction sender. Okay, because we are talking about senders now, then dot set visibility, which is visible. Okay, and then holder dot receivers, holder dot reaction for receivers dot set visibility gone. Okay guys, so make it gone, and then simply last thing that we need to write is reactions reference dot child. So here you have to pass post key as child, then plus, then s for senders, and then again you have to write down child, which is going to be reaction. Make sure this reaction should be same, then set value, which is going to be true, or you can say POS position semicolon. Now it is saying that there is a problem, so you have to simply click on it, and we will see the error in the end. Okay, for now follow the steps that I'm showing. Okay guys, so this is how you have to do the coding inside this. If RC code equals to 1 and if RC code equals to 2, so what we will do, we will simply make it receivers. Okay, rest of the code will be same, just do minor, and for the case of receiver we will make it post key plus receiver. Okay, so guys, now after this if and else code, what you have to do, you have to just come after this bracket and write return true, and then semicolon. Okay guys, so guys, now after that you have to write bracket and then semicolon. So guys, now after that you can see that the error of this POS is successfully gone. Okay, so we have done the coding of this reaction pop-up inside. Okay, so guys, now after that here you have to simply write down is the holder dot reaction checkup. Okay, and then bracket, and inside it, guys, you have to pass post key and semicolon. Then again, guys, you have to simply copy it and then simply paste it, and this time you have to make it 2. Okay, so now you have to simply click on this red bulb create method in vh, and then again click on this second one, then again red create method. Okay, so now we have two methods. So for now, just leave this one and focus on this main activity code. Okay, so now we have created two methods. So now after these two methods, what you have to write, you have to simply write is holder dot mtvs, or first of all we will handle for senders dot set touch listener. Okay, set on touch listener, then new. Okay, then view on touch listener. Okay, guys, so now after that, here what we will do, so when user will click on that send us message tv, they will simply touch it and they will be able to see the pop-up. Okay, then you have to write pop-up dot on touch, and then here you have to pass the view and then motion event. Okay, guys, then semicolon, and second of all you have to do is rc code equals to 1. So that's why we have used 1 and 2 as a code. Okay, and second thing, you have to go for the receiver one, simply give mtvr for receiver, and this time make the code 2. Now we have codes for mtvs mtvr. Okay, for sender, so when user will click on the sender's message, so the pop-up will appear and the rc code will be 1. When user will click on receiver's message, so the pop-up will appear and rc code will become 2. Okay, and when rc code will be 1 or 2, so what exactly happened here, you can see rc code equals to 1, it means we will perform senders operation, and if rc code equals to 2, we will perform receivers operation. The code logic is pretty simple, it can handle thousands of messages. Okay, don't worry. So now our main activity code is successfully done. Now it's time to come back inside this message dot message view holder class. Okay, guys, so now false. So as in the beginning we have already given the reference and variables for image view. So for now we have to code inside this reaction checker. So basically what we are doing here, guys, see, when a user will react on any particular message and we have stored that reaction in a real-time database, now we have to show it every time user will open the message activity. For example, when you react on someone's message on Instagram and you open the chat, so you are able to see that reaction whenever you open the activity. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do in this class. Now in this method reaction checker. So guys, for this reaction checker, we will check the reactions of sender, and for this reaction checker too, we will check the reactions for receiver. Okay guys, I hope I'm clear and easy to understand. Okay guys, so now you have to write database reference and then reactions reference, then equals to firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, and that is going to be reactions, and I can confirm from this activity that I am giving the correct reference. Okay guys, so you can see that here we are having this reactions as a reaction reference. So for, you can also copy it and paste it, semicolon reactions. Now you have to write down reaction reference dot child, which is going to be post key plus s. Why I'm giving extra s? Because in the message activity we have given, for sender we have added extra s. See, for sender we have added extra s, for receiver we have added extra r. Got it? So that's why I'm giving the r here. Then dot add value event listener, then new, then value event listener, and now semicolon. So now inside this you have to simply write if snapshot dot exist, so starting bracket, and inside it you have to simply write string case reaction, okay, equals to snapshot dot child, which is going to be reaction, okay, child reaction dot get value dot toString, oops, dot toString, semicolon. Got it? So now so guys, now you may be thinking that why I'm giving, so guys now you may be thinking that why so guys now you may be thinking that why I'm giving this reaction here, because I have given it here. See, that's why. So now what we will do, we will simply get the value of that post key, okay, child reaction. So now after that what we will do, we will simply use switch statement, switch, and pass case reaction as a parameter, or you can say condition, and here you have to write case, and then case will be from, guys, by default in array, whenever we use array, so the first position, the index number of first position is always 0, it's not 1. So make sure, okay, so what I'm saying is the index number of this IC like is 0, it's not 1. So for more understanding I can give, so you can understand the sequence. Otherwise you guys will start coding from first, so it will create error. Okay, so make sure here I'm writing its index number, don't get confused. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So now what you have to do is you have to simply write iv reaction sender dot set image resource, and that's going to be r dot drawable dot ic like, and make sure you give the same for this one. Okay, for example that here you have given ic set, and now in the place or condition of 1 you will give the drawable ic laugh, so it will create a problem. Okay, that's why I have written this index number 0 1 2 3 4 5, and you have to do the same. Okay, so you can see when the case is 0, so I will give the value ic like. Fine. Now after that you have to make iv reactions dot sender dot set visibility, so make it visible. Okay, and then break for stopping that case and coming out of the execution. Then simply copy it, paste it, copy it, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it. And the case number one. So in the case number one, we have new love, new, and in case number two, we have laugh, I see laugh. Case number three, we have I see cry. So I will give I see cry. Okay, and in case number four, we have I see sad. So in the case number four, I will make it sad. Okay, then and then in the fifth number, we have I see angry. So guys, now I will make it fifth, and you have to give the I see angry. Okay, so guys, now you can see that we have given all the 6 cases successfully. Okay guys, so now after that you can see that we are handling all the 6 cases successfully. So now you have to do the same thing. So what you have to do for the reaction checker to simply copy this code from there to okay, you can copy till this one, control plus C. Okay, and then simply paste it. So if you get any extra of brackets, so simply first try removing and then try adding one more. Oops, 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 oops. Oh, sorry. Oh, my mistake, my mistake. Just a minute. See, we have to copy this whole code. Sorry, my mistake. So guys, you have to copy from this database reference till this bracket. Okay, so copy the entire code and then simply paste it. See, no error this time. So now after that, what you have to do, you have to do the small changes like R. Okay, so post key plus R, because we are checking the reaction for receiver, checking reactions for receiver. Okay, now here so guys, here you have to simply change this one to R. That's why guys I was telling you to give the same exact ID like mine one. So you can see that now changing reference is how easy, just in seconds, and boom. See, now our coding part is successfully done. Okay, everything is successfully done. So guys, now I will try to run the application in my physical device and then I will show you the output. So guys, now you can see that the app is installing successfully on my device and now it is running successfully. Chat it. And now we have a one user, Rahul. Okay, so I will simply send a message. So you can see that till now everything is working fine. Okay, the app didn't crash. So I will click on the sender's message and we can see the pop-up is working absolutely fine. I will click on this laughing one. So now we are having this laughing pop-up, and then I will go back and then I will come back to see that boom, we have the same emoji. Now we will try for the receiver one. I will give this like, I will react to the love one. Okay, so now I have reacted a love. Now I will go back and boom, we have both the reactions in our messages, and pop-up is working absolutely fine. Okay, see, if you change the position, it's happening. You will go back, you will come back, see. Everything is, guys, you can see that working absolutely okay. Okay, there is no error, no problem. Everything is simple, easy to understand. All the code is very all the code is very easy. Okay guys, so if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. And guys, if you want the source code of this tutorial, so you can simply join the membership of my channel and you will get the source code. First level only source code, second level zip file, third level I will give you the complete APK file, and fourth level you will get my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Guys, please do the subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.